Make a great choice today with
the 2023 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.